Oh God, not too close, honey. Not too close. Makita yung mga ano natin dyan. I didn't shower yet, so not too close. Just kidding. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're out today. I don't know where we're going. Where are we going, honey?
Remember, get a chair.
Oh, so we're gonna do a shopping for my computer chair.
Yeah.
So we'll see. Hopefully they have pink. I really want pink. So diyan kami pupunta guys sa Office Max. Bibili ako ng computer chair. So guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng store. Tumitingin kami ng ano, upuan. Ayun yung mga upuan. Yung dalawa, yun yung dalawa. 149. How about these? But it's not too good. I like this. Let me see.
I assume the mic's on the front. Yeah, good. I can't block it. It's $219. But our internet will work.
Mouse, guys. Mouse.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. Keyboard.
Unless
Yeah.
Comcast
That's
relays
it.
are down too because they run.
Mr. looking for a computer chair.
Like a USB thing that doesn't bother me.
USB up?
Ikot-ikot lang tayo guys dito.
Not even charging them. They have a hub version of like my little metal box. It's really nice.
Wrapper.
I think that glue's half price at Home Depot.
Lagayan ng coins. Guys.
Yeah, I don't think you need to sort coins.
Sort coins. And what they have here over here.
Yeah, we won't take your money unless you have it.
Ooh, is that
This
what?
is legal tender. You
How do you call that?
have to honor it as legal tender.
How do you call this, honey?
Huh?
It's a register.
Register? Oh, really? It's look like old register. I want one. Just to play with it. Michael.
I'm pretty sure.
Guys, ito. Gusto ko tong desk na to. Ang ganda. Ayan. Okay, ito. Oh. White computer desk. Ang ganda. Ayan yung itsura niya, guys.
Come to hire one of your friends that found a job.
Ganda.
Lazy.
That guy. Yeah. One guy that's at Best Buy.
I want
No, all my
this
other friends
chair.
have jobs. Like,
Ang ganda
they don't work
naman.
downtown Denver. Another one of my friends is like,
200. No, that's an L desk espresso.
Ang ganda guys ng desk. Ito yung gusto kong desk. Ito
which
yung
one is this one?
style ng desk. So, nakauwi na kami guys. So, nakabili ako ng anong tawag dito? Computer chair. Kasi nga itong upuan kong to, ito guys. Yan. Halimbawa, pag nagstay ako sa computer ko and then like an hour, start hurting my butt, like you kind of feel like your butt starting have a callus. So Dan decided to buy me a new chair, computer chair. So yeah, Dan's just gonna assemble it later. And then I have a new chair. I got a new chair, computer chair, so I'm excited because this one is kind of like, it's not really soft. It's soft, but it's not really comfy. Like if I'm sitting an hour, it start hurting my butt. So, yay! I got a new chair. Baba tayo, guys. So,
You start filming?
yes,
I already
mag-assemble.
opened it.
Yay! It's fine. Mag-assemble kami ng chair. Unboxing!
When you stop playing this, then
It's fun. It's long not music. It's fun.
It'll probably come up and they'll get the option to copyright strike it, but I don't think they would. So, you get an armrest. Exciting.
Oh,
look, the button's
I
different.
like the color.
Oh, it feels much better too.
Really?
Yeah, the other one was the model. Like, or a floor model, so it's old as hell.
I got my armchair right there.
Armrest.
Armrest.
This is
I
a
like
puzzle.
the color. Is that taupe color? What color is that?
I forgot what they called it. Ooh, it's got a manual or something.
Okay. Ooh, I like the color.
Is some desiccant?
No.
You can eat it. It's yummy.
No. You're not supposed to eat that. I like the color.
It lets you hang out with
I think-
doctors.
I'm not sure. I think it's off-white color or whatever.
It's probably taupe. They like calling colors taupe.
So that's the back. What do you call that, honey?
The back.
Back chair.
Backrest. And then this one goes here. I was just going as far as you can by hand. It'll save time. And try to always get everything in before you tighten it down.
Oh.
Otherwise it gets hard to get that last one in, or it might cross up something.
So what's that? Oh, you have to use that to make it tight, right?
Uh-huh. Although I'm not going to go crazy. I'm just going to get it close. I like wiggling things around when they're really close. Letting them get seated exactly where they're designed to. If an engineer did a good job, it works better. If an engineer did a shitty job, then it doesn't matter. Because it's going to be crap no matter what. And it doesn't seem to really matter.
Is it like kind of like a little bit loose?
Oh no, you definitely tighten it. Hopefully I don't break the tool. 'Cause it is made out of the kind of cracking plastic. It's not pretty. The fabric's in the way.
Oh, the fabric's in the way.
Yeah. I'm not wearing the most comfortable clothes for this.
Want to change your jeans?
Nah. Too lazy for that.
There you go. Ah, nice.
Need them all to line up real good first.
So that's the screw.
They give me an extra one?
Maybe.
How hard is it to get to the next page? They cut the page short.
So almost done with the back. Oh, excuse me.
Jeez, honey.
Coffee make me burp. For the second time. Yay! Ayan na siya. Soon. Good thing I picked the colors that I want. I will be very happy if they do have a pink one. But sadly they don't have pink. They only have two colors available.
It's good.
Black
This looks better.
and this color. Like good enough.
Good enough. Hell no. I'm just gonna keep going until it breaks.
Really? Oh god. And we just got that new. But you're gonna breaking it. You're breaking it.
I'll just return it. Sure, everything's tight. I don't even know if you can focus that close. Really? It's not all fuzzy. Okay.
Done? So what next?
Fight with little panels.
What's that on?
It's your controls.
Oh, so that's the chair controls. Nice. This is good.
Look right there.
Okay. Oh, the chair control. And the other one?
What do you think the other one would do?
Oh, for the other side.
Nope.
What is that?
For lifting.
Oh, for lifting. Cool. Okay. So we're gonna connect that. You hold the other side.
There's only one place to connect it.
Oh, you can connect it right there.
Unless you want them swapped.
No, I don't know. I have no idea how to do that. Maybe I have to look the instruction step by step. Step 1, step 2, step 3.
That raises a button there. You can't even see it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it?
Yeah. 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 Did you break it?
Let's just put the little retention bracket in to keep it in place, and half of it broke.
Oh.
Let's see if this one breaks. Be extra gentle. Apparently you gotta brace your hands against it, because the last time I just pulled it and one of them broke. So yeah, that's quality.
It broke.
It don't matter.
As long as not.
Even if both broke, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
I have a couple of arms.
Yay.
You take this guy off. Make sure you're going the right way. What side feels more front? That should be front. So this is this side. It says front. It doesn't say left or right. Oh, the front's this way? Well, then it has to be like this. Okay, we'll go with it.
Okay. Yes, so we're in the arm rest. Rest.
Make it really wide to start. And I'm not going to tighten it too much because we're going to adjust it to your size once you sit in it.
Okay. That's the second one.
Come on, there's the hole.
Almost done. I love this camera. It does a job.
It does a job?
I mean, it does a job.
Does the job.
It does the job.
Does a good job.
It does a good job.
It floats your boat.
What did you say?
Floats your boat.
What is that?
You don't know that?
No.
It means it makes
So
you
what's that,
happy.
honey? Is that for the...
This is the hydraulic piston.
Oh, okay. Yes, almost done.
So I'm just going to sit down like that. And then the legs, which are behind me, need some wheels in them.
Okay, go ahead. Yes, ready.
They're silly.
Oh, look at that. I like that. I like the color. Is it metal? Yes, it is.
That's
Or plastic.
That's plastic. That's a cast plastic with a hard plastic over it.
Yeah, I like the color.
But it's still plastic.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Pretty, huh?
Anyways, got wheels.
Where are those?
Casters. They just
Oh,
pop in.
okay. Yeah. Nice.
They push down real hard. And they have a little C block. What the hell are these called, Joe?
That.
C something. C clasp. C block. C ring. It's a C something.
There you go. Like.
But that's what lets it lock in. But not super tight. So they don't fall out.
Okay.
But you can pull them out if you try.
Okay, where's it going? There you go.
Then it just goes on like that. Now your chair is assembled.
That's it?
That's it. Now you stand it up.
Are you sure that's not upside down? It seems backwards.
No, that's right.
Oh, pretty. Ayun na siya, guys. Does it look like?
That's the lock. That's the raise.
Ayun na siya.
I think I have to sit on it first.
Okay. And then, ayun na, guys.
Because it's not pressing the button yet.
Ready. Ayan, inupuan na ni Dad.
Okay.
Is it okay?
It's like sitting on a bed.
Yeah.
Flip that down. Now you can lean back. It's really tight. Let's loosen it for Christine. And the armrest is loose. So I gotta tighten that down real good.
Pretty color though. I like the color.
Oh, jeez. And you press your buttons to go up.
Oh, okay.
And you have a chair.
Yay. Did you break it?
No, it just went back down. Didn't want to lock. Might need to wiggle it if you want to stay in that top position.
Oh God, not too close, honey. Not too close. Makita yung mga ano natin dyan. I didn't shower yet, so not too close. Just kidding.
Yeah, you're able to go out. You're clean enough.
So ito na guys yung itsura ng chair. Ang ganda ng kulay. Kasi nga masakit sa puwet pag ano, tawag dito. Pag halimbawa nagstay ako sa lumang chair ko ng an hour, yung ano ko, yung puwet ko, ano na, masakit na siya. So Dan decided to get me a new computer chair and I'm excited to use it. Yay! So ayan guys, yung gusto ko yung kulay. Ang ganda ng kulay. Yan sa likod guys, oh. Ang ganda ng kulay. That's it for today's vlog guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you dislike this video, you don't know what to do. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.